Because what I'm having, you would know about it.
Kunta Kinte.
What it do, babe?
Damn, another life and time of Kunta Kinte.
Yeah, man, I'm just sitting back and enjoying the fruits of life, man. You know, how we do out here, man, you know.
What exactly is the fruits of life? What is your fruits of life?
Well, my fruits of life will contain this right here. This is one element I call the fruits of life. It's called weed, marijuana. Well, people say smoking hinders people from jobs and different things. Everybody out there will give you the game on this shit as far as with smoking and getting a job. I got a job right now, right? When it's time to take a piss test, now, I'm going to tell you about the piss. I don't know about the pluck your hair samples and the swab. Get somebody to piss and use that. Tie it up in a condom, put it on your balls, keep it warm, and you will pass the piss test.
That's just nasty.
Oh, man, that's what we got to do to get these jobs out here. We don't want to stop smoking. Weed stay in your system for goddamn, what, more than 30 days. That should stay in your house for 2 years, more than that. So what we going to do?
Smoke crack, it don't stay in your system for 2 days.
Yeah, that's weird. Dope, crack, and all that stay in your system for what? 2 days, just like you said, man. That don't make no sense. Now, think about it. Most of our great inventors smoke weed. They ain't know that.
Like who?
Prime example. Who made the telephone? Was that Alexander Graham Bell? Well, hold on, I don't know. I think he was smoking crack. Graham Bell, I don't know. I don't think he made that. But somebody was smoking weed. The Indians, the peace pipe. Come on now, what's up with that? They been smoking forever. The white man came over here, took the peace pipe from the Indians, sold it to us, made it illegal. So now we gotta sneak to smoke weed out this bitch. Ain't this something? We gotta sneak. I'm in the car smoking weed because I don't want motherfuckers around this bitch to see me. It's police that live on across the street beside us. I'm in the car smoking. I ain't even in the crib smoking. This how bad it is. This shit dope right here, but this shit ain't no weed. I don't understand, man. You know, but I can tell y'all this though. I'm still lighting up, you know what I'm saying? Cause what am I doing to anybody? Am I hurting anybody? I like to jerk off a lot too. I mean, I'm just keeping it real, you know, man. Cause you know, you asking me questions, I'm being real about it. You know, this is not a little documentary. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes when I finish smoking, I pop a flick in, and yeah, I got a girl too, but she might be at work. I'm closing my eyes. I'm thinking about Rihanna, Beyonce, all them bad bitches, Keisha Coles. Yeah, I feel like I fucked them. Because I got it in my imagination. And when I'm looking at that flick, oh, I'm going to work. I'm going to work hard.
I think I understand why I don't smoke weed.
Because what I'm having, you would know about it.